Hello students, welcome to my channel CEB. Today we will learn how to install Spyder on your computer. Before that, write in comment which operating system you are using. If you don't know which operating system you are using, the link of the video is given in the description box. Do watch that video. Now for installing Spyder, search for Spyder IDE. Here we will see Home Spyder IDE. Click on it. You will get one page of Spyder. Scroll down that page and search for download for Windows. Click on it. As soon as you are going to click on download for Windows, the Spyder is going to install at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now here you can see that the downloading is completed. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on it. After clicking on it, the new window will open. You have to read the instruction like, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Now click on next. Then I agree. Now install just for me. Click on it. Click on next. Now click on install. We'll start installing your Spyder. It will take some time to completely download your Spyder. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Now you can see that the Spyder is completely installed. Now we will click on the finish button. You can see the Spyder screen is available. But now you can write your first program. I hope you have understand how to install the Spyder on your computer and you have successfully installed also. If you have any query, do write in comments. Thanks for watching.